my sewing friends, and welcome back to the channel. It's Nkiru, your women's wear fashion designer based in Abuja, Nigeria. Today we'll be learning how to cut a bubble skirt. It's a very beginner friendly tutorial and straight to the point. For this tutorial, there are two ways you can arrive at this bubble skirt. It's either you go through the route of using a long rectangle, okay, or you cut in the circle format, that is finding the radius of the waist or the hip, as the case may be. But for today's tutorial, we'll be using the radius method. That's the circle method. So if this is the kind of tutorial you would like to see, then keep watching. We'll be needing our fabric. This is a crepe fabric, and we have 2 yards. Lining, our zipper for the skirt, tailor's chalk, scissors, matching thread, our tape, interface, as well as pins. We're going to be folding our fabric into 4. So the first is to fold it this way. So after folding your fabric this way, then we'll fold it again this way. So our radius for this skirt is 6 3/4. So I'll mark then the length of the skirt 17 inches. These are all our pieces. This is the lining and the waistband. So we'll go over to the sewing machine and put everything together. The first thing to do will be to check how many inches the bottom part of your lining is. So mine is 56.5. So I'll pleat the main fabric into this lining. This is what I have after I was done pleating the main fabric. So now I'll be using pins to secure the main fabric to the lining. Now I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch all the way until I get to the end. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to click on the like button and share this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.